We have a box and we already opened it. There is some batteries. I thought it was a Disney princess song.
I don't know.
Princess. All right, let's just pop this baby open. Wow. For some reason, I thought all these were separate boxes.
Oh no.
Oh, wow. There is a note. What do you think it says? Every time there's a note, it reminds me of that one show.
Blue's Clues?
America's Next Top Model. Hi, Braille. I am W-O-E-R
Worlded it.
I am Worlded it, and I just started my YouTube channel, also called Worlded it, where I make things with LEDs. I noticed that you don't have enough LEDs on your channel. So here you have the LED skateboard. It runs on AA batteries and uses about 8 watts of power.
What is he talking about?
You should get about 30 minutes of full brightness from one set. The Braille logo is made of flickering LEDs.
Ooh.
I thought he used a different word. I managed to break some LEDs while gripping the board, so I hope your OCD is not as bad as mine.
Well, it is, so.
This is the cheapest deck I could find on Amazon. We just call this the cheapest
The
deck
cheapest.
on Amazon LED
cheapest
skateboard.
LED
You made it,
skate.
we skated it. Don't break the. So I am pretty sure you guys will break it. If you do, it will be awesome. If you could sign the pieces and send them back to me, I will put them back together and put them in a frame. We just gotta figure out how to use the post service. I hope you have fun with this thing. Just don't get it wet or put it in the sun because it is about 50% hot glue. Stay awesome. World look. P.S. Please link to my video where I made the LED board. HTTPS. It'll be down there.
Dude,
So
but look at that craftsmanship.
that is serious craftsmanship. Oh! Wow.
That is so bright.
That is actually incredible.
Man, this board is really lighting you up.
This board is lit.
Wow.
Ah!
It's hilarious that you getting a haircut takes away like 7 years of age.
I know. I should shave my beard and see what happens.
No.
Should I?
No.
I'm putting the foot down on that one.
No beard?
You need the beard.
No. No beard.
You will look 15.
Maybe that's what we need. Fetty, let's light it up.
Dude, that is
yeah.
so awesome.
No yelling. I challenge you to a dance-off. Dang it.
Look how cool this looks.
We need to cruise this at night.
Well, there's trucks always.
I knew you were gonna complain about the trucks. I absolutely knew it. I cannot skate this thing. It is too bright. I'm scared to do that noise. What happened? Ready, do some actual tricks. Trifle buff?
Uh-huh.
Why? Every time? Oh, wow, I had that.
That looks so weird.
Freak. Wow.
First Troy?
No! Letting the whole Braille army down. Fetty's just giving this one to me. Let's roll. Whoa! Come back! Yes! One more.
Yeah.
Come back! Come back! Ah, la 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 la.
Can you see the light at the end of the tunnel?
No, don't go into it.
The video production is just insane.
Wow, look at this quality.
What?
Wow, now it's staying on. Fetty did something magic to it. Oh no.
You break everything. Just let Fitty touch it. He'll fix it.
Don't break the LED board. Okay, one tray revert.
That looks awesome.
Wow. Yikes. This is the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. For some reason, this is driving me nuts, although it's not in the way at all. Worst one ever done. Wow.
That was really good.
Straight to Instagram, people. Woo, 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 woo.
That just tripped me out. Fed, you want to hit a nose slide?
I mean, I guess.
How you feeling, man?
Like there's a bunch of clouds in my head. It's like a cloudy, but a chance of meatball in my head. Oh, I got new pants.
Wow.
What is he trying to do over there? He's trying to practice? Betty, this is no practice. You gotta just go. It's fine.
Well, that'll fix it.
I couldn't take my foot off because the box hooked onto my foot.
Yeah, Fetty.
Every time you take the camera off him, he falls drastically.
Shorts?
Yeah. Fake manual. Oh, wow.
You gotta like spike it.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Troy!
There's a switch.
This blinds me right now. This is not that bad. You gotta stay out of the middle. This could be a game, like stay out of the middle of it. Oh, that's cool! Yo! This is pretty cool. Let's do front pop late flip. Oh, no! It's complicated with this thing in the middle because that's where I usually like kick down. It's not happening. It's not happening.
We have Skate 3, and they made the Braille house for us.
We're about to get some real good clips soon.
I don't think a hard flip is possible. Count it.
Oh.
Whoa! Can that battery explode with it being right there?
Probably. I mean,
That's
they
what's
are
gonna
just
happen.
AA batteries, though.
Ah, never mind.
Yeah, Fetty. At least one battery will shoot out and like shoot through Troy's leg or something.
That'd be awesome.
What?
I landed on the battery pack thing.
I love the genius ingenuity that went into making this board right here.
Well said.
I'm gonna do a spinning trout. That might look pretty cool.
Spinning trout? Taking it down to 5.
Your boy ain't got no balance. Nigel, you're up.
No me.
Fetty!
Buddy, you break everything.
Whoa. Look at the... Oh, wait. How did you just do that?
I put the battery back in.
I don't actually think this board is gonna break. If anything, the electrical stuff and the batteries will all get busted.
Just explode.
Should we just light it on fire and get these real lights?
Yeah, that'd be cool. Wow, Fetty.
Betty's a technician.
It worked for a little.
Maybe we should tape the batteries in.
That's too much work. We're lazy.
Wow, MacGyver. He even looks like MacGyver. Or what's that one guy with like the things that have like springs and stuff?
Inspector Gadget.
Inspector Gadget.
Yeah, when in doubt, use tape.
Da 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 da.
Season's greetings
That's
to
what I have to
Alan.
sing.
Let's sing songs and
The light's really going out on this video.
You're going out on this video.
Truth.
At least one more trick down the stairs.
Okay, I was reading about my my company. I got some news, some letters in the mail, some good things.
What are you thinking?
What do you think I'm thinking? Take a
Like-
wild guess of any trick I could do right now.
Pop shove, lights out. $100 if it blows them up.
$100.
Oh no!
Wait, I might be able to do this one.
Oh! Well done.
Now I gotta land it. It's still lit. It's so weird because I have to catch it bolts. Like there's no other option. I forgot how to skateboard.
Follow the light. You can do this.
Oh, this is lovely. I think this is the longest it's ever taken me to pop shove anything in my entire life. Back 180.
You gotta end the video.
Well, It did not break.
He put a lot of faith in us that it would actually break.
I know. All right, guys. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and thanks for sending us this incredible LED skateboard. If you guys have something, email us at skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We want to teach each and every single one of you to skateboard. If you have not started skateboarding yet, definitely start. You can check out this playlist for all of the videos that we have in the entire world. And then go to the shop, get your skateboard, get skateboarding made simple, learn how to skateboard. Get a skateboard, start skateboarding. You can do it. How does he do it?
Boom.